Right, here we have our spring varroa mite treatment. What were we supposed to use, Glenda? Epi what? Epi-stan. But I ended up getting Baverol. So we're probably a little bit late getting the varroa mite treatment into them, just with COVID restrictions. We probably should have done it, what do you reckon, probably a month ago, eh, Glenda? So here we are, we're just splitting the honey super. Do you need a lift? Oh no, we're just splitting the honey super from the, what do you call it, Glenda? From the brood box. Glenda's just being careful there, just so that we don't flicker the bees off the queen excluder. That's easily done. And the queen excluder, she doesn't want to put that on top. See how she turned it around and put it down? Because what you don't want is that queen being on the other side and then the queen getting into the honey super. Okay. Full box. Are you going to go through and check each frame, or are we just, well, we sort of have to, eh? There is a chance there could be queen cells on these frames. See, there's a lot of pollen, and then up a bit further there's honey. You can see that kept honey. On the other side, what have we got? Just empty. Yeah. Now keeping an eye out for the queen as well. Bees are a lot of fun. I don't think we're really into honey that much, but just having bees is something a bit different and quite an enjoyable hobby. Something that's quite good if you've got kids as well. We get the kids involved sometimes. They can be a bit of work if you've got more than a couple of boxes of bees. I think the most we had were like 4 boxes, Glenda. And it was a bit much work. So we're just looking for queen cells. If we see a queen cell, we'll point it out. Looking for queen cells and also looking for varroa mite. We are doing a varroa mite treatment, so we've sort of just got to gauge how bad it is, if the Baverol strips are going to be enough or if they're going to need a bit more. Something like oxalic acid. Eggs.
Yep.
Oh yeah, those are the white dots in the middle there. So there's a good chance we're close to the queen. She might even be on this frame. Hey? So springtime, you really need to keep an eye out for queen cells. You can see all the pollen, all the different colours of pollen on there. More eggs. There's some more eggs there. You can see those little white dots in the middle of the frame. The queen sticks her butt in there. and lays those eggs. So she could be either on. We've also got to be real careful because it is quite cold and dark and dreary, and it's quite windy. And what you don't want to do is cool the brood down, because obviously the bees they keep the brood at a certain temperature. Let's just try and be real careful pulling these out, because a queen could be on any one of these. Wow. So those big ones down there, those are actually drones. They're the male bees. And I can't see any queen cells yet. Okay.
Larvae down the bottom. And
Larvae down the bottom. Yeah, there's some more. Is there any larvae in that one? Oh yeah. Can I just
yeah, so you can make a cap of that brood cell of those drones.
So you can see a little white larvae in there. Still no queen. So if they lose their queen or the queen goes walkabout, they'll actually make a new queen. So all these bees that you see here are pretty much probably 95% female, and the drones and the males, they mate with the queen. In the wintertime they get kicked out and it's all females inside the hive, so it's predominantly a female hive. And when they need to make a queen, what they'll do is they'll feed that queen a secretion from their forehead, which is called royal jelly, and that's pretty much like a steroid, and it amps up that queen and makes her like twice the size. These workers can also lay eggs. We've had it before where, what do they call it? A laying worker where the queen disappears. And the queen disappears and the worker takes over. I've got a feeling it's going to rain. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Right, I'm going to put this away. I'll do another video when the weather permits it.